Hi there, good morning. I am Marcelino El Galido of Best in Town Property PH, a licensed real estate broker and a partner of Greenfield Development Corporation. We are here to the segment of Best in Town Property PH na tanong mo, sagot ko. Ang tanong, safe ba dyan? Baka naman kahit sino lang ang pwedeng pumasok. Ayan guardhouse. Safe na safe. 24/7 ang security natin dito. Perfecto! Especially if you're living alone or starting with a family. Gated community, tayo with strict monitoring. Plus, we have professional property management dito. Hindi lang unit ang binibili mo, pati peace of mind. Pwede kang mag-jogging sa gabi or mag-ikot ng walang kaba. Real luxury is feeling safe at home, di ba? Send us a message now to book your tripping schedule. Tara na! This is Marcelino El Galido of Best in Town Property PH, a PRC licensed real estate broker and an accredited partner of Greenfield Development Corporation, helping you find not just a property, but the right investment for your future. Thank you very much.